Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta Data Exchange. A bit tired because I was traveling. I came, early morning from another city from Tamil Nadu. So that's aside. Coming back to the markets, GIFT Nifty indicating slightly higher opening, maybe 20-30 point higher. That may be due to global cues. US futures are higher. Most of the Asian markets are higher. And people are waiting, tomorrow is the deadline for US-China trade talks. So if there is any positive news, that may have some positive global impact. And then India also, for India, it may act as a trigger for a small short covering. Anyway, India is totally going completely opposite to the world markets. I think we have already discussed. Incidentally, Friday, Nifty closed exactly at the same place where it closed 1 year before. So, which makes that, year to date return is exactly zero, neither positive nor negative. And not only that, I think for 4 to 5 weeks continuously, Nifty is falling. And not only that, for the last 5-6 trading session, every day Nifty, could not take out the previous day's high, or at least, could not close above the previous day's close. So this is how the trade setup. It was a complete bearishness. But as I always say, sometimes when market is in complete bearish mode, so that is when some big investors may come to markets and market sentiment may revive. But of course, the probability of FIAs coming and buying is very, very low at this point of time. But if any domestic institutions like LIC, if they feel that this market is oversold, now it is like, India has underperformed the world markets by 25 to 30% in last 1 year. So in that case, so why not LIC can come? But, as of now, there are no such signs. And look at the bearishness, right? So Nifty is breaking every level technically. Whether it is a Fibonacci retracement 38.2%, 100, 50, 20 simple moving averages or, exponential moving averages. So the next major support is between 24,150 to 24,200 as we discussed already. And failing which the next major support is 24,000. To be precisely 24,040. That's where the 200-day simple moving average is there. So FIA's short position, they continue to hold 92% short position in index futures. So, things are really very, very bearish. On top of which, the corporate results, I think now the time is very bad for Tata Group. TCS came out with bad results. Now Tata Motors came out with bad results. Voltas, so many Tata Group companies are, not doing well. So why I'm particularly mentioning Tata, Tata companies are across the board, all the sectors, so they maybe we can take the Tata Group performance as a true reflection of the economy. So definitely there is something wrong with the economy. So it is time for, political bosses to sit and ask this question to find some solution. And until then, this market is going to be very, very weak. So there is no doubt about it. So this week, Friday is a holiday. So there are only 4 trading sessions. So I'm expecting Nifty to trade between maybe 24,000 and 25,000. So that's a broader range. That's because the markets are very, very volatile. So Monday sometimes can be a trending market. So better not to do anything for the first 45 minutes. Then I will take a view. So as long as yesterday's low is not broken, we can hope. But the thing is, yesterday's low is just only yesterday. Nifty closed at the lowest point of the day. So therefore, no, breaking that is not going to be a big deal, 30, 40 points. So the next support we have to look for Nifty is 24,200. So let us see. So what is going to happen? Meanwhile, this NSDL share is just shooting up like anything. Now the NSDL valuation has become higher than the CDSL valuation. So I will advise, my friends to book the profits. So not, this is, moving against the trend, right? So let us hope we find some bottom today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.